Right, just a quick run around in the garden. So I built this square planter box filter, but it leaks. These square thin plastic ones are no good, so don't think about getting those. So let's move along. So I went on Amazon. I tried to get some of these off Morrison's, but they've stopped selling them, and they make some thin plastic crap ones. B&Q are doing the same, so don't bother going there now at the moment. I got these off Amazon, thick plastic ones with no drainage holes. Make sure you get no drainage holes. I've got some rectangular ones there, and we're just in the process of putting some bottoms on, which are egg crates that the aggregate will stand on. So let's move along quickly. Let's show you what we're doing over here. So barrel plastic, we're putting a few things together. So we're putting some pipes and an outlet, sorry, an inlet there, and then we've got two outlets are going to go there on that, so it should look quite nice. So moving on, come on, let's move along, guys. So here's the Aquascape spillway, 19-inch, pretty much made of cement, and there's a stand. Unfortunately, it has a habit of back leaking. So if you've got a sleeper pond or a build-up pond, it's going to leak a lot. However, in-ground pond, it should be fine, no problems. However, I'm selling that. Anyone interested, let me know in the comments. But it's an expensive thing. £170 for the spillway bowl, £75 for the box. It's a lot of money, yeah. Didn't work out. So I'm going to do a proper video of the build of the new filter. But yeah, keep tuned, guys. So I just wanted to show you the pond. We got some new fish. We got new fish, guys. Got them from Garforth near that garden centre. Looking quite nice in there. Hopefully you can see through the netting. Not ideal to see it through the netting, but that's what we're doing, guys. Just a quick walk around, a quick update, just to let you know another video will be coming out. We've done Aquascape filter bowl review. It's a filter bowl or a normal pool, whichever you want. But it leaks a little bit, so it's not great. Unfortunately, not all the best plans go to how you planned it. Anyway, this is the pond as it stands. We're doing the filter, the second filter. One thing I've noted, just a quick walk around as I've said, these surge filters have a habit of leaking here. When you start messing about with one of these valves to restrict the flow going through, it trickles and leaks. Now I did contact Evolution Aqua and got another one of these valves put on, very similar to the problem that Tempest were having, where you can see there's a hole there where air goes in, but unfortunately it leaks. You can see it from my finger there. So that's the one flaw I would say with the Surge, as well as the Tempest. They still have an issue with leaking. Evolution Aqua, if you're watching this video, please sort this problem out. It's a big problem. Thousands of people are experiencing this sort of problem. The new Surge, we all thought maybe you've addressed it. You said you created a new design, but it's not been sorted yet. Anyway, that's the update, guys. Just a quick run around. I was going to do a live stream, but I've been having problems with the signal quality not being great, so there you go. I'm signing off. Just a quick video. See you later. Bye bye.